basically means there's a high probability it's going to want to come down to this level. But we're going to do additional checks and balances just to make sure that we have our best foot forward, right? Once we've covered all of that, I will explain to you the trade that I took yesterday and how I got out of it not too long ago, this morning, with a small amount of profit, right? So let's mark out this area right here, which is our new low volume node location, which is right here. And price is now kind of moving away from that right now. It's kind of moving away from that right now. So it could come down even lower. So now that we've gotten that down and laid out for us, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a trend line, right? I'm going to drop a trend line on here. Okay, so let's add that to this level, and I want to make sure I get it at a really good location. So this is the best one without me having to bend it. So we keep it here for now. Okay, so this is our trend line. Price has got a long way to go before it even makes its way to this particular trend line, and if it crosses this trend line, we can begin to start to entertain the idea that price might be going bearish. It doesn't mean it's going bearish. It just means we can start to entertain the idea, especially if it doesn't do any form of pullback to the upside. These are just things that I just want you to have in your mind as we go through this presentation. So we have the trend line here. I'm not going to add the anchored volume profile in this location just because for now I don't think we need it, and based on the distance that I will be analyzing from, it's really going to be pointless. So we're not going to add that at all. We're just going to work with what we have right here. So based off this, right, we now have the story in this area, what it could be or what it might not be. Okay, so it could be a range, it might not be a range, but bottom line is that's what we have in this area right now. We have our trend line to give us additional support in case it does XYZ in a third, right? We want to make sure that we always have our best foot forward when it comes to navigating the market. So the next thing that I'm going to add to this now is I want to add on a fib level to give us a rough idea as to what to expect